Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're out at Red Top Mountain State Park in North Georgia. It's kind of a blustery, rainy, cool day here in the fall, but we're not going to let that deter us from making you guys a great dish. Today it's going to be Osso Buco, so stay tuned. So what is Osso Buco? Okay, we have a very nice package of Osso Buco here from our great sponsors, Porter Road Meats. And if you'd like to check out more stuff from Porter Road Meats, I'm going to leave you a description box in the below with an affiliate link where you're going to get a great discount by clicking that link. So check out Porter Meats right down below in the description box. Also, I wanted to say that these particular Porter Road Osso Buco shanks, and that's what it is, a beef shank with that big marrow bone. That's what's going to make it delicious here in the Dutch oven like we're going to do it here at camp today. These are dry aged, okay? They've been dry aged. That's going to make them even better and more rich and flavorful. So we got some weather coming in a little bit later. We're up under our Slumberjack truck canopy here. We're going to be truck camping this whole weekend doing the Georgia Traverse Trail off-road for you guys. This is going to be the last time we're going to be even in a approved campground, and we're still kind of in the primitive part of it. All right, so all we have here at our disposal is a hand pump well, and we may have electricity. I don't know. I ain't really checked it out yet because we really don't need it. We're set up to be wilderness camping this whole week, so a bunch more videos to come. So make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. So you might have seen from that little lead in, we've already got the Dutch oven over there, got it fired up on some coals. I got some B&B lump charcoal going under there. Get that thing nice and hot. We're gonna put these bad boys in there with some Killer Hogs AP rub on them and sear them off real quick, and then we're gonna braise them, and that braising liquid is a little bit different than our normal thing. So I based this recipe off of Gordon Ramsay's recipe for Osso Buco, and if you know Gordon Ramsay does it, it's got to be pretty daggum good. So let's get this show on the road. I want to go ahead and drop my shanks in that Dutch oven. It's already pretty smoking hot. We want to sear that off a little bit, get it going. As soon as I drop them in there, of course it's Dutch oven cooking, so I need to get super duper fancy and get this rub open. I got it open alright. Get that top sealed. Gonna go in there with a little Killer Hogs AP. This is basically salt, pepper, and garlic. If you don't have that, just use salt, pepper, and garlic. Pretty good douse of it. These are going to cook a long time. That's going to get all incorporated into the sauce. We've got a pretty good breeze here today. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and put up my Dutch oven wind deflector around the Dutch oven. This is very light, backpackable. Made from aluminum, and it works pretty daggum good, especially if you got a nice flat surface like we do. That's going to keep my heat contained around the pot. Hopefully the wind won't blow it away. Just a reminder, if you'd like to check out some of the gear we use here on the Backwoods Gourmet channel, be sure you go and check out the first link that we're going to leave you in the first comment below, or just search the Backwoods Gourmet channel on Amazon and you'll find our store with links to all the gear we use. Alright, you see those guys growing up, that membrane around the edge. Got a nice color on that side. may go ahead and just take our knife. We're gonna kind of cut that membrane so it'll stay flat. Just cut it. That relieves all that pressure, and it'll lay down flatter. It'll cook more evenly. One thing great about this little heat shield, it keeps the wind off, but it doesn't really get hot. Alright, that's browned on both sides. Now we're going to go ahead and put in 2 shallots, a couple sticks of celery, and some carrots. And get that all off of there because we got some freshness on there. I like to use these flexible cutting boards. Then we have fresh grated ginger. It's kind of hard to get out that thing. Alright, we're going to time to deglaze this pot. I'm going to put in a 1/4 stick of butter. You could put in some wine. I could put in some wine too if I had the opener. Pour in some chicken stock. You could also put a little bit of lemon or orange in this right now. I'm going to go ahead and just about cover the meat. Put the lid back on. I'm going to put the rest of the coals on top. Hour and 45 minutes or so. Well, we got that put down. It is fork tender. I'm gonna go in here. Yeah, it's falling apart. Don't forget that bone in the middle. Alright. Get you some of that broth. Some of those veg. Finish it off. A little parsley over top. That's a 5-star meal at camp. So this is a perfect comfort food to have here on a nice cool fall evening. It's fork tender. You don't need a knife for this, okay? Wow. I was making pork or beef shanks like this kind of very similar to this, long before I even knew about this dish, Osso Buco. But that Dutch oven does a fabulous job of this dish. It's very simple. Once you get all those ingredients in and get it going, pretty much walk away from it, go do whatever you need to do, and it's going to turn out perfect. We just let the fire burn out. I took the dog for a walk. So if you like what we're doing, please smash that like button right down there. You can subscribe to our channel right over here for another great Backwoods Gourmet video. It's going to be right over there. And for a whole playlist, cast iron and Dutch oven cooking, be right there.